Telegram groups are a great way to securely connect with anyone from individuals to large groups. End-to-end encryption ensures that your messages are secure while they're in transit, while features like expiring invite links allow group owners to manage exactly who can join and how fast the group grows. If you've been meaning to set up a group for work or for your friends and family, you've come to the right guide. To access the most options, you'll want to use Telegram's mobile app. To start, just open the Telegram app on your phone, tap on the triple-lined icon in the top left to open a menu, then tap on New Group. You'll be asked to add at least one contact and name your group. Once that's done, tap on Create Group and you'll enter into your group's chat window. To set your group to public, tap on the group's name, then on the pencil icon to manage your settings. Tap on Group Type, then select Public Group. You'll be asked to type in a short custom link you can post and share for people to join. Once you're satisfied, tap on the check icon to save your changes. Your group will now be public and will show up on Telegram's global search. If you want to keep your group private and add friends of friends or anyone not in your contacts list, just tap on the group's name, then on Add Member. From here, tap on Invite to Group via link. You'll be shown the group's universal link to share with trusted contacts. If you want more control over how many people can join, you can set a custom link that never expires. To do this, tap on Manage Invite Links. Once that page loads, tap on the Create a New Link button near the bottom of the page. From here, you can set limits based on time or number of uses by using the slider, or entering a custom value under the slider. Once everything is set, tap Create Link to generate your expiring link. If you use the People Nearby feature, you can also create a location-based group. To do this, tap on the triple-lined icon at the top of the page and select People Nearby. If your location services aren't already on, you might be prompted to turn them on in order to load this page. Once the page loads, scroll down and tap on Create a Local Group. Telegram will remind you that anyone close to this location will be able to see your group in the People Nearby section. To continue, tap on Start Group. Enter your group's name, then tap on the checkmark icon in the lower right to save. You won't need to add any contacts to start this group. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Telegram and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.